Hello. Welcome to Canal Reina DSP. Today, I want to introduce you to an excellent product that revitalizes and strengthens the growth of your hair. The name of this product is Folifort. With this product, you will give your scalp the necessary nutrients to support the healthy growth of the follicles and enjoy fuller, stronger and brighter hair, regardless of age. Our new formula contains several active ingredients such as antioxidants and minerals that protect the scalp from irritation and work to rejuvenate the follicles at the root. These are some of the benefits you will get when you purchase our product. Get the same hair you had at 20. Stronger and more resistant hair follicles. Say goodbye to thinning or shredded hair. Have at hand a method with proven results. Because in this products are used natural ingredients that are proven to support hair growth, promoting natural regeneration of the follicles. Don't waste any more time. This is really a product that will make a difference to your health. Click on the description link and learn more. Folifort even comes with a 100% money-back guarantee, 60 full days from your original purchase. What are you waiting for? Click the description link. Good for today is just. If you liked this video, leave your like and subscribe to the channel not to miss any content. Thank you for watching our channel and until the next video.